Look at tire chains. On the tightener they got a slot. That little slot has a purpose. You can put a tool in it when you have the other chains hooked here, and you can turn that tool and twist that chain in to hook it. So having a tire chain tool that will fit that will make it a lot easier to tighten up your chains, because that's one thing you want is tight tire chains when you put them on. You have brake lines and anti-lock brake wires and stuff. You can really tear up, damage a vehicle if you don't put your chains on right. So let's see if we can make that, how much fun that would be. Here's a piece of 4140, and it's sucker rod. It comes from the drilling industry. It's the rod on the pump jack that goes up and down in the ground to pull oil out. Anyway, pick it up relatively cheap. It's temperable. You can temper it in water and actually hit it and break it, but you can temper it in oil and make it tough, durable. Anyway, this is what we're going to use today to make our chain tightener. That and the induction forge. See, it's already starting to get red hot. Probably too thin. So it's not quite in the center. I'm going to try to move it a little. Looking pretty good. Be nice if that was a little flatter. I swelled it up just a hair, so when it's in and you torque it, it don't want to pop out. It kind of holds onto it, so you can pull on it, and it still, as long as you're torquing, you can't pull it off as easy. So now we're going to take this and we're going to put a little bend in it, same direction as the tongue, and then we're going to maybe just a hair of an offset might not be bad. I think that's good. Yeah. I think that'll work in scan. So whenever I use a wire wheel, gloves and a face shield, always, no exceptions, just take your time. If you don't lose an eye, that'd be a bad deal.
And there's Brandy.
Hey, thanks for watching the chain tool video. Little dovetail on the end to help hold on. Fun little tool to make. Good practice. If I made 10 of them, they'd look better. That's always the rule. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, if your wife don't find you handsome, she better find you handy. Thank you very much. Have a great day.